Welcome to Busy Gardening with Mrs. Busybody. Hey everybody, my name is Lovey. I'm a new gardener here in Zone 8B, South Carolina, starting our journey to growing our own homegrown fruits, nuts, and vegetables. I hope that you join me on my journey as I start building our garden from the very start and enjoy what you see. I ask that you take time and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment from time to time and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my journey. Hey everybody. What we are about to do right now is to harvest and see what's going on down inside these potatoes. We were out here noticing some yellowing and all kinds of drying back and stuff going on with these potatoes. So what we gonna do first, we gonna cut these tops off and see what's going on down in this bag. Okay? Yeah. We got enough yellowing and dying back and blight or whatever. So we getting rid of it out the garden. I don't like seeing ugliness in my garden. So we gonna harvest today. Whatever's in down there. Big or small. For big. Yep. And first thing you do is you cut your tops off. You know? Cut all your tops. And that all out the way. Now, I always I wondered about these bags with a little pouch on the side. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna test the little pouch out. See if we're seeing anything. But first, let's get it on the plastic. Okay? And see what this pouch says. Look at my gloves. Yeah, let me go get my gloves. So, let's open this up. Turn this over here on my basket that I have been harvesting. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see. Anything in here? Anything growing in there? I see something, guys. Oh, I see some potato right there. Oh, I see another one right there. We got potatoes, guys. Oh, yeah. We got potatoes in here, y'all. So now I'm excited. I see potatoes here. Yeah, y'all see them? Right there, right there. Okay, let's get this baby dumped out now. We don't want to play no more games. Let's get this baby dumped out. Come on out. Ooh, feel a lump right there. Okay, potato. Come on out. Come on out. Okay, here we go. Okay. Alright, let's cover ourselves up with these in the harvest basket, getting a lot of dirt on my cucumbers and tomatoes. Let me go get me a basket. I need a basket, y'all. I'm seeing some white potatoes, y'all. Yeah, we back. We back and we are here for it. Okay? Yes, we are here for it. We are here for it. We are here for it. Okay. Right there. Let's see what else we got. Out of, I think I planted 1 or 2 potatoes in here. Okay. We're getting some potatoes done. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice size one right there. Yeah. Come on out. Ooh, I just bust open and a whole bunch of them. They're falling out. Now these could have got a little bigger. But you know what? Okay. Get all the little ones. Oh, what else we got down in here? There's some little babies. I want y'all too. I need my little seat. About to have a seat real quick and get the rest of these potatoes harvested out of this soil. Let's see. We got any over in here? Or we gonna reuse this soil? This some good. We gonna reuse this good. Get all the potato stems out onto the side over there. Over there. Let's grab you too while we at it. Okay. I just want to make sure it ain't no more packed down in any of this little soil right here, because we still got a whole nother clump to get to. That's some good soil. They had some good little soil to grow. Alright, now we got some more little ones right here. We want them all. Oh, I gotta get my scale now. That's on the to-do list for this week. Is to purchase me a scale so that I am able to weigh my harvest. Because at the end of the growing season, I want to know how much food I have grown. Yeah, even them little ones trying to form. What you got? You might be the start of something. Let's come on. Oh, see? You got more. We got more. Come on over here. There you go. Yeah. Okay. These are the potatoes that I got, the seed potato that I got from my local seed and feed. And I think I planted maybe 3 potatoes in here, maybe 2 or 3. I have to go back to my video and see. You're not mad at the potato harvest. So I am not mad at my potato harvest out of my 7-gallon grow bag. Okay. Yeah. She did good. She did good. So what we gonna do? We're gonna drop this soil on. I see worm. Alright, wormy. Hey, wormy. I'm gonna leave you in there. I don't know how you made it, but you did. We're gonna put all this soil back down in there. Minus any roots and grass. And pot up some more of something else. You don't really want to plant the same crop twice in one pot or bag, because you want to confuse whatever pests have become accustomed to that situation. You want to confuse the pest. So now, next thing I'm going to grow in here, some green beans. Yep, I'm going to plant some more top crop green beans in these grow bags, right along with my other grow bags from Bee and Link. Okay, so this is the first harvest of potatoes, and I am not mad at it, guys. Look at that. We got some nice size ones. Yeah, and we got some little tiny little poops in here. Yeah, little tiny little poops. So we just gonna get this soil back down in this bag and move on to the bigger bucket, okay? And I don't like that all of this dirt done got in the morning harvest, so I'm gonna sit y'all over here for a moment until I get my little mini basket dusted out. Y'all 2 cherry tomatoes, just drop everybody. Clean you out, and then get you situated back in here, nice and clean, free of dirt. Okay, so that's the morning harvest basket. We're gonna keep her to the side so she don't get dirty again. And now we're gonna dump this soil back in this bag. Yep, going back. Going back. Okay, you just sit here and wait a minute. Thank you. Get the big barrel over here, y'all. Alright, big barrel. Then we're gonna cut your tops, because you're getting all that yellowing and light or whatever it is. We don't condone it. We don't own it. the first potatoes, and this is one organic potato that I purchased from Walmart, and I chit it and I cut it into 3 sections and planted each section down. So we gonna see if we got some potatoes. Yeah, we gonna see. We don't condone no looking ugly in the garden. So if you're starting to look a certain kind of way, I'm pulling it up. I'm harvesting, cutting, whatever needs to be done. It's not gonna be in my garden growing, looking crazy. Okay. So, are y'all ready for this next one? Why y'all ain't tell me y'all was crooked? About to do the dump. Come back a little bit. Just a little bit for me. Yeah, right there. Dump it. Alright. It's dumped, y'all. Let me turn y'all a little bit so y'all can see. Get my stool in my basket. Let's see. Let's turn this big lump of soil right here. Another one. And some more. On a tuber. Here's that seed potato. Right here. That's the one I chitted. And here's its tuber, shooting out potatoes off of it. And these probably could have went a little longer. I could still replant this seed potato, which I think that's what I'm going to do. Replant that. Here's another seed potato, and giving me some good potatoes off of there. And let's see what else we got in here. Much soil to not have the harvest that I really wanted, which I'm still finding little ones down in here, but this is a lot of soil, and I didn't get enough potatoes for me. To me, this was not enough. I mean, it's all right. It's more than I started out with. But I would have liked to see a lot more potatoes, bigger. So I'm happy. I'm satisfied, but I'm not happy. Yeah, I don't feel any more potatoes in here. Shit, I'm messing up now. Alright. This is our potato harvest. 2 different types of white potatoes. We have organic potato, and we have seed potatoes, organic potato and seed potatoes from my local seed and feed. I'm gonna be gentle with these white potatoes while they cure. We don't want to rough the skin up too much. Get all my big boys out the bottom. Get y'all up top. Well, family, until the next time, I will plant you now and dig you later.